What up guys, so I got a cool surprise. I recently went to JB Hi-Fi and I got a new laptop. As you can see here, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. And you know, one of the reasons why I got this laptop is it's very sleek, minimal design, and it's pretty much on par with the MacBook Pro. I remember back in the day, like around 5 years ago, I used to have an old MacBook laptop. Obviously it's broken and gone now. But yeah, I really felt like the new Windows designs are really sleek, really cool. Not only that, but the speed and performance is a lot better. But it's just going to be used as another work laptop, and obviously my wife can use that so she can help me out with the design business and also on her own business as well. So I feel like it's going to be really cool. Not only that, but it's got a really decent resolution. Also has a more of a vertical spacing, so it's good for like web browsing, so for scrolling and things like that. And it's going to be used for like basic stuff like, you know, web browsing and Netflix and not really much editing and things like that, but you could probably, you know, chuck on Photoshop and you know, do some editing in that. Another thing to mention as well is that I got those two versions. You have the Intel and the AMD, and I went with the Intel i5 version. I just saw a few reviews and people were saying that Intel is a lot better. Obviously, like multitasking, AMD is sort of better, but sometimes when it comes to laptops, you know, sometimes they cut corners and things like that, but I just went with the Intel for this one. And we got the black, sleek black one, so we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. I got my trusty Swiss Army little card here. So if I pull this out, I got like this like little knife thing. It's for letter openers, but I can just use it to cut the plastic, and it's actually pretty cool. It's got like all these little tools, and hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, I think it's really awesome. And I'm just gonna open the box and see what's in there. It's looking good, feels nice and clean. Another thing as well is that we got the 256 version of gigabytes, because you might need that extra space. It's got 8 GB RAM, and I feel like that's enough for like basic word processing and editing. So there is a 16 gig RAM version as well, but yeah, I think this will just do the trick. And the cool thing is we got the 13.5 inch. I didn't see the reason to go to 15 inch because you don't really need that big enough of a screen. But so you can see this, look very nice, got the nice Windows logo there, really compact, sleek. It's actually very light as well. So I'm holding it, it's very light, and you can see it's very thin. We got one USB port, USB-C, and also a headphone jack, which is good, so you can chuck in headphones. And then the charging port there, so very minimal, similar to the MacBook Pro. So overall, it's a pretty good laptop. Just installed a few programs onto it. So I've got Premiere Rush, Lightroom, and just Adobe Acrobat, so my wife can be able to use that. But overall, really happy with it. It's very lightweight, and it's very nice. It's got 8 gig RAM, which I think is plenty. It's got 256 gigs of data. So that should be plenty just for basic, editing and word processing and things like that. So yeah, it's been really cool. It was a quick install, like Microsoft already came onto it, so I didn't have to do much. You just prompted you through the whole setup. It comes with this like really cool charger. As you can see, very similar to the Apple MacBook Pro, and it's magnetic, so you can like literally just, once it goes in there, it just connects really easily. Another thing as well, it's only got one USB port, but it also has a USB-C and a jack. So that's kind of cool, so I can put headphones in it and things like that. But overall, it's really nice. The display is very good, very clean. You got the keyboard feel is very nice. You can see it's very lightweight. We got the 13.5 inch, so you can see that it's very, it's a decent size compared to my other screen, where you can see here, this is 27 inches, this is 13.5, so I feel like it's plenty for a small laptop. Very portable as well, and overall it connected with Wi-Fi really easy. So I feel like this is a good laptop. Obviously this video was not sponsored, just wanted to do it as a fun little thing, just upgrading and buying a new laptop for my wife, as the other one was pretty old and stuff. So we're both gonna use it, and also maybe I'll have a client meeting and things like that, then I can bring this along and I can connect it to my Creative Cloud, because with Creative Cloud you can actually have one license but have it on 2 separate computers, which I find is very useful. Not only that, but I use a PC as well, so I can connect it. And if you have this mouse, which is like a Logitech Master MX Master 2S, you can actually connect with both screens. So got to set that up so it makes it really easy in case I need to do something. But overall, it's a nice little laptop. Costed around $2,000, I think. But overall, it is an investment, and I feel like, yeah, it's going to be pretty good. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if this was interesting content or not. Remember to subscribe and like, and I hope you have an amazing week.